Jutta family, the shelter is getting a delivery of electrical goods. A very, very lovely, kind donor, follower, Marianne, the lady that adopted Adonis. His name is now Jagger. She knew when she came to visit us and spend time with us over the summer, she knew that the shelter doesn't have a washing machine. So she very, very kindly bought a washing machine for the shelter. And here it is. Before I arrived, IOANNHS was washing some of the dogs and cats' blankets and cushions by hand in a tub. Some of them were just being thrown out. I washed a few things in my washing machine and they came out really, really well. The cat cushions, dog beds, blankets, they were all coming out beautifully. So this is going to be a massive, wonderful addition to the shelter, because now IOANNHS can wash all the pets, all the animals, blankets and everything else, and it comes just before winter arrives, which is great because they will definitely need it. They will have welcoming committee here. They will have clean, nice blankets and cushions, all nice and clean and soft. So thank you very, very, very much, Marianne. This is so kind. It's such a wonderful and very much needed present. Adonis or Jagger is doing very well, by the way. He is very, very happy in his new home with his new mama. Now the kittens will be very curious. It's going in the bathroom. So you can see the kitten, you see the kittens running towards the box to watch it, to see. They probably think it's for them. And it is in a way, because their blankets will be washed. And it's wonderful. Thank you very much, Jutta family. Thank you very much, Marianne Kaufman. Wonderful, wonderful needed present. Bye-bye for now.